Thank you, Omaze, for sponsoring this video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are out here on a dirt road somewhere in the middle of nowhere, and yeah, Norris is running again, which is, yeah, feels really good, I have to admit. We have wrapped up this weekend's work at the garage to make him able to run, but there's a big but.
Who's got a big butt?
Although he's running, he's not 100% fit yet, and yeah, let's take you through the story now. So we just arrived at this rural area where Truck Norris is parked in a garage, and we're just about to be reunited with him. The hope is that when we are done working this weekend, we'll be able to drive him home, and hopefully this engine swap journey will come to an end, so we can finally start using him again for our planned road trips, and we have exciting plans for the summer. Yeah, I won't bore you anymore with talking. I think we just have to get straight to work and head into the garage. Okay, so we have dismantled the turbo, and we are doing some work here underneath the van. So the turbo is on the ground, and the pipes here are now loose. The area here, it's leaking coolant. Try to hammer this one loose and replace it with yeah, this guy right here to make it watertight. That's the plan, at least. Before we try to attack this one, we will drain the coolant liquid on the other side here.
I think that went pretty well.
Yeah. There's a first time for everything. Summer drinks provided by Norris. Here is the exposed hole now. I'll try to use this frost plug to just tighten up here, make it nice and not leaky anymore. And hopefully it's gonna fix this leaking coolant problem. Slowly getting there, I think. You can see by Benedicte's forehead, she's been making a good effort. Before we fire up the engine, I want to talk about today's sponsor, which is Omaze. Now, Omaze raises funds for charities by giving away life-changing experiences. And this time around, they are giving away a brand new Airstream Caravel that is going to be hitched up to a brand new 2021 Ford F-150. Your new home on wheels will keep you comfortable while you explore in remote areas, with amenities like a memory foam mattress, a spacious kitchen with premium appliances, and even pet-friendly ultra-leather seating, which I know we would appreciate for our Husky. The F-150 pickup truck comes with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 EcoBoost engine, maxing out at 400 horsepower and 510 foot-pounds of torque. I wonder how that engine would look like in our van. And while you're at it, your donations support a charity called the Independence Fund. The Independence Fund is committed to empowering the catastrophically ill wounded and injured veterans of the US. And for your chance to win the Airstream Caravelle along with the Ford F-150 pickup truck, as well as supporting a great cause, head on over to www.omaze.com/Simon Breck. And now back to the garage, and let's try to fire up our engine. Ready for a new work session on Norris. Now we'll try to start up the engine again to try to troubleshoot. He's not running that well when we start pushing the RPMs. Hopefully we'll figure this out quickly. Took a step back from the garage to explain you guys what's going on. It seems like we have some air entering the diesel line, which is causing the engine to run not good. It spits out smoke and you can clearly hear that it's not firing correctly. Not totally clear what's the source just yet, but it's still bright outside and the night is still young, so let's see.
We're running! Woo!
It's running. It's error with the oil sensor. It keeps squealing like it's doing now.
But still, we're running!
Yeah, we're running.
Woohoo! We're at our third test run. Notice is still not running properly. It's running good until we hit 3,000 RPMs, and then it's like somebody hits the brakes. So something's not totally functioning there, and our pretty alarm.
This all means that Norris will be parked back in the garage, and we'll be spending some more time here until we get some time off work and get back to the garage to fix him up. Not really sure what's causing the problem right now. We have done a lot of different tests. He doesn't seem to accept our craftsmanship just yet. Really hoping to get him finished and back on the road so we can do some proper road trips, because he won't let us go anywhere above 3,000 RPMs, and it's kind of limiting factors when you are dealing with the steep mountain areas of Norway. You need some more power eventually. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video, and let's all cross our fingers that Norris will be back again.